Good day to all our viewers out there. My name is Heinrich Neethling and welcome to Mathematical Literacy. The focus of our lesson today will be volume, which forms part of measurement. Let's look at our first question. So here at question number 1, we are saying Bongani Incorporated manufactures plant boxes. Use the picture and diagram and the table below to answer the questions that follow. So here we have the rectangular plant boxes with different sizes. All right. So on our left hand side there's a picture. Then on the right hand side there we see the diagram of the box that Bongani Incorporated is using. Right. Then as we indicated below that we have a table showing the boxes with different sizes. And please note all external dimensions is given in millimeters. Then we have the type of plant box, that is A to E. And then we have the length, the width, as well as the height of each of these boxes. Then at the bottom there, I've indicated that we may use the following formula. In order to calculate the volume of a rectangular prism, we take length, we multiply that with the width, multiply that by the height. Okay, let's look at our first question. So question 1a, it says write down the letter A to E of the type of plant box that is a cube. Now let's look at our type of boxes here, A to E. So if I look, remember when we refer to a cube, we know that all the dimensions should be the same. So looking at this, plant type box A is 325 by 325 by 225. We agree it's definitely not that one. That's not a cube, we agree. I'm moving now to box number B. 325 by 325 by 325. I'm sure you'll agree that that is indeed a cube. Guys, are we clear? Let's double check the others. 600 by 325 by 600, no. 12 by 325 by no. As well as the last one, also a no. So write down the letter. So therefore the answer here will be B. Right? Type of plant box, that will be box number B. Guys, I hope that's fine. Okay, let's move on now to question 1b. Now we are saying a client bought 148 type E boxes. Right? The inside volume of a type E box is approximately 0.299 cubic meters. What else is important? The inside volume of a box is 9.36% less than the outside volume. Right? So we are referring here to inside volume and outside volume. What is the question that we need to answer? It says, show how the approximated inside volume, right, was calculated. So what is the approximated inside volume? We need to show how this was calculated. Keeping in mind that the inside volume of a box is 9.36% less than the outside volume. Okay, right, so what else is given here? Okay, nothing. Here, what is our starting point? Always remember step 1, formula. Okay, so what will I do now? I will go and look at the volume, basically the exterior volume, right? And now I'll see we are working with box type E. We agree. So what are the dimensions here? There we have it. What is the formula that is used? It's volume of a rectangular prism equals length times width times height. So I'll do that and then write it down as my starting point. So volume equals my length multiplied by my width multiplied by my height. Guys, are we clear? I'm going to substitute as my second step. Length here is given. But let's pause there. Remember now, if I look, the volume here is indicated in cubic meters. And remember when we started, we indicated that all external dimensions is given in millimeters. So meaning I must either convert now, right, at the start of calculations, or remember you can convert at the end as well. But I prefer to convert right at the start. So therefore I'll convert the 1500 millimeters into meters. Right? Quick question. How many millimeters in a meter? I agree, 1000, right? So therefore I'll say for the length is 1500 divided by 1000. So that will give us a length here of 1.5 meters. I'll write it there on my diagram. Then in terms of my width, it's 475 divided also by 1,000. That will give me a width of 0,475. Okay, 0,475. And then my height is 462.5 millimeters. I divide that by 1,000 as well. And that will give me then 0,4625. And now I have all my dimensions in meters. Are we clear? So let's substitute. I go back to my question. Here my calculation. So length 1,5 meters. Multiply by my width 0,475 meters. Multiply by my height of 0,4625 meters. Guys, I hope you are still following. Please use your calculator and perform the same calculations as what you see currently on the screen. So 1.5 multiply by 0.475 multiply by 0.4625. So that will give us exterior volume of what? Of 0,329,531,25, and this is cubic meters. Now let's double check. 0,329,531,25. Remember we said here that the inside volume of a box is what? It's 9,36% less than the outside volume. We've just calculated the outside volume. So therefore, let's see if this is indeed correct, how they calculated it. So therefore, I'll take my 0,3295312 cubic meters, and I'll subtract it from, remember, the 9,36% of the exterior or the outside volume, which is 0,329533125, right? And that's also cubic meters. So therefore, I'm going to keep this. I want to simplify that values in the brackets first, right? So let's write this value down. I want to show every single step so that we all understand. Sorry about that. Let's go back. So there's our calculation. 3,125 cubic meters, right? Minus, I'm going to simplify this part here in brackets by saying 9.36 divided by 100, okay, multiply by 0.32953125. So that will give us an answer of 0,030844,125, and this is cubic meters. I will double check my answer. 0,030, yes. 844, yes. 125. Now I'm going to take this exterior volume and subtract it, right, from the 0,00844,125. Let's type that in. 0.32953,125 minus 0.030844,125 equals. All right. So therefore, I'll get an answer of 0.298687,125 cubic meters. Now it says a client bought 148 type of E-boxes. The inside volume of type E-box is approximately 0.29 cubic meters. Now what is it that we need to do? It says further on, the inside volume of a box is 9.36% less than the outside volume. Show how the approximated inside volume was calculated. Now guys, if you look at our answer here, it's clear then that when we round this off, right, to 3 decimal places, right? So what will that be? I'll look at there 0.29. So I look at this digit here, right? Meaning that this is more than 5, that 8 becomes a 9 as well. So if we round this answer off to 3 decimal places, we will indeed get to the inside volume there, and we just show by means of calculation that it is indeed approximately 0,299 cubic meters. Guys, let us take a quick advert break. After the break, we'll do some more sums. See you after the break.